Hello, welcome to Vidator. I had made an unboxing video of HP db1059au and right in that video I have mentioned that I will do a detailed review of this laptop. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find it right here or maybe here. Go watch that one. Oh, by the way, that video is in Bengali, so if you are not a Bengali person, don't forget to turn on the subtitles. And unlike every video, I have tried to do something cinematic, so stay tuned till the last. Now come to the laptop. I have been using this for a month now, so I will try to cover every possible points and we will discuss if it is a good option to buy or not. But before that, first see what features this model comes with. This laptop comes with RYZEN3 3200u processor with inbuilt Vega 3 graphics, a display with full HD resolution, 4GB of RAM and 1TB of hard disk, and with Windows 10 preloaded. Before jumping to the main part, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Based on my usage, I divided this video into two parts, one pros and two cons. I have given time frames in the description based on that. Number 1. Display. Now it's a 15.6-inch 1920x1080 resolution display that is full HD WLED backlight anti-glare display. So it supports 4K, 220 nits of brightness which is okay, and PPI rate is also 141 pixels per inch which is normal. And as usual the TN panels, which I really hate. When will we see the IPS panel? Those who don't know, the problem with TN panel is this, the viewing angle is really like shit. Now number 2, let me start telling you about the processor. The processor is really good. Its base speed is 2.6 GHz and you can turbo boost it up to 3.5 GHz. That is something for which I bought this. Now the RAM is normal, 4GB DDR4 RAM, but with base speeds of 2400 MHz frequency and 5 MB of cache, which is good because the previous one I had, it has 1600 MHz of frequency and 3 MB of cache. If we consider the cons, there is nothing bad about the processor, but few people may really be obsessed with Intel, so they may not find this Ryzen processor so much exciting, but yeah, I think you can go for this one. Now number 3, the graphics card. It has AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics card, which is a entry-level dual-core graphics card, and that is okay. Now number 4, storage and connectivity. It comes with only a 1TB of hard disk. It has two USB 3.1 port and an optical disk drive, and that is good because as you don't really need it, you can replace it with a SSD with just help of a caddy, and that is also not needed because it has M.2 slot, which is really good. So just go and buy a SSD. If you want to know why you should invest on a SSD, why SSD is better than hard disk, just tell me that and I will make a video on that. Number 5. Build quality. The body is plastic and it doesn't feel premium but looks really good due to the silver stunning looks. And as it is lightweight, you can carry it almost everywhere without any hesitation. The speaker grills is in a position where you don't really notice it in a first look. But the sound quality is really good and it's pretty loud. And the keyboard buttons are also quite good and it's pretty comfortable in terms of typing. And the trackpad size is medium and the touch responsiveness is good, but at this price range this is a good deal from HP. Now the lid is really strong and flexible, so you can open the laptop using one hand only, and after using this for a month there is no issue with it. And last, let's come to the battery. It takes 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge this laptop, but if you are just browsing net, watching YouTube, the battery lasts for about 4 hours. But if you are doing some heavy work like photo editing, video editing, gaming, then it will last about 1.5 to 2 hours. So depending on your usage, battery backup is pretty average. I know I have skipped a few points, but most of them don't really matter because whatever you buy in this price range, you will get the same features. In conclusion, here comes the main part, whether you should buy it or not. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, I am waiting. করে দিয়েছো? Okay, let's come to the point. Whether you should buy this laptop or not. See, choosing the right laptop for you is really a tricky question because everyone have different needs in their laptop. So you have to decide what you are finding in your laptop. I will tell you the good parts of this laptop. 1 processor, 2 display, 3 SSD connectivity, 4 3.1 USB connectivity and HP reliability. Therefore, to answer the question whether if you buy this laptop or not, my answer is obviously go for it. If you have a tight budget of 30,000, this one is a great option for you. Best buying link in the description here, check it from there. So if you find this video helpful, share it in your friends and like this video.